Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. How you can build the collapsible component with the help of Material Design Bootstrap Hive. Okay, so this is the fourth video in the series of the React Material Design Bootstrap Hive, and we are going to implement this collapsible component. So if you click on this button, that is a collapse, so you will see that content is getting collapse here, and if you click again on this button, this will get hide. So this collapsible component we are going to build in this video. I hope guys you are following this series of React Material Design Bootstrap version 5, in which I am showing you how you can implement a different component with the help of Material Design Bootstrap. Before jumping into the Visual Studio Code, if you haven't subscribed this channel, then please subscribe this channel and share the channel link with your colleague as well if you found out that the content on this channel is useful. So let's jump into the Visual Studio Code and start working on this collapsible component. So guys, this is the structure that I am following in this React Material Design Bootstrap series. So you can see that I have already created a couple of components, and I have already made a video on all these different components, like how you can implement accordion, how you can do a form validation, how you can implement a image slider or a image carousel with the help of Material Design Bootstrap 5. Okay, so now let's create a component here, one more. So the component will be like collapse. Okay, because we are working a collapsible component in this video, so the collapse.js, and I'm going to generate a snippet here, and from React I need one hooks as well, so that will be the use state. And from Material Design Bootstrap we need some component like button. So button and mdb collapse, so this one also need. Okay, and we need to define one state. So the state will be show and hit show and use state, so it will be the false. Okay, and we are not going to use div here. I'll be using here fragment, and I'm going to use a button mdb btn. We'll have the on click. So on click, we are just going to basically do the opposite here. Okay, so just give this one. So basically we are performing the ogling here, and the button value will be like collapse. Okay, so this name I am giving here, the button name is collapse, and we need to use this mdb collapse, and inside that I'm just going to copy some dummy data. So I have already this data.js file, and I'm just going to copy this description. So let's go into the collapse, and now we have, so now we are done with this collapse component, and let's go to the app.js file, and here we can comment this one no need, and we can bring this collapse component here. So VS Code automatically suggests that component. And don't worry guys, all this code is available in the GitHub repository. I will provide the GitHub link in the description, so you can always check out my repository. So now let's go into the browser. So let's refresh. Now let's click on this one. So it's not working, so something I have missed here. So we have to provide one props here. So that will be the show only, show, and we can give here show. Okay. Now let's go into the browser. Now click on this button, collapse. Now we are able to get the content. Now click again, the content will go away. So now we have implemented the collapsible component in this video, and I hope this video is helpful to you. So if you like this video, then please press the like button, and if you like my work and the content on this channel, then please subscribe this channel as well. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Bye bye.